everyone, what's going on? Hope everything goes with you. And this is from pureshop.ru. And this is the new sneakers ready to ship. If you want to copy one, please check on my web link. And this is the shoes, Nike SB Dunk shoes. And this is the new colorway of Nike SB Dunk. So you can look at the whole pair, the whole side, and this color of Nike shoes is the temple leather, and the suede material on the upper with two colors, the gray and another color. This should be the brown or something. You can check it by yourself. And the got the white midsole. The front here also got this color suede. And about the front, you can look this part. Very comfort, and also conversion is very good. Double stitching on this color. And around the shoe tom, got this color shoe length. And also the shoe tom. This is classical Nike SB Dunk shoe tom, very soft. On the top got Nike SB Dunk Leather Pro. In the middle got the last lock. In the ballerina side, so got the same, the Nike shoes, two colors, suede material on the shoes, the white midsole. And about the bottom, also this color. In the middle, got the white Nike SB and the Nike shoes. And check the back side, got the Nike embroidered there, and the classical shape Nike SB Dunk sneakers. And the inside, the back side of the shoe tom. Got the test same as the other Nike SB, and this color, around this color, including the shoe point. Got the Nike SB, June Air, and the Nike shoes. The side tag inside, everything is very good. And got another extra shoe lace, is the white color. Okay, so this is a new color of Nike SB Dunk sneakers. What do you think with this color? Couple or drop? You can comment below. Any more questions? Can contact us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.